Again, these kinds of questions are very favorites in the exam. What we'll do is we will start from here. Let cot inverse x is equal to theta. So x is equal to cot theta. So 1 by x is equal to tan theta. Is it okay? So immediately we'll draw one right angle triangle where theta is the trigonometric reference angle. So opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So I can say here this is nothing but root over 1 plus x square. So I can say sine theta that is equal to 1 divided by root over 1 plus x square. So your same theta value can be written as now sine inverse of 1 divided by 1 plus x square under the root. 1 divided by root of 1 plus x square. Correct or not? So I can write this as a cos of tan inverse of sine inverse of, I can write like this, 1 divided by root of 1 plus x square. Is it not? Yes. So I can write cos of tan inverse of, if you see sine and sine inverse will get nullified, 1 divided by root over 1 plus x square. Now what we'll do, we'll put this value, that is let tan inverse of 1 divided by root over 1 plus x square is equal to, let me put alpha. Is it okay? Now the same right angle triangle you draw, this is alpha, this is the trigonometric reference angle 90 degree, that is alpha. Here this is 90 degree right angle, trigonometric reference angle is alpha. 1 and this is nothing but root over 1 plus x square. So I can say here root of 2 plus x square after application of the Pythagoras theorem. 1 plus x square root over 2 plus x square. So now I want cos inverse, right? So can you tell me what is this value of cos theta? That is equal to root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 2 plus x square. Is it right? 2 plus x square. So your value of alpha here. So your value of alpha will be equal to what? The value of alpha will be equal to cos inverse of. So I can write here now, it will be of the form cos inverse of root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 2 plus x square. Cos and cos inverse will get nullified. So your leftover answers will be in the form root of 1 plus x square divided by root of 2 plus x square. This will be the answer to the question.